Okay, now to take your airbag off, there's 4 screws on the back side of this. It's a metric 10 mil. There's 4 screws, 2 on each side. Just undo those and pull the airbag out. Okay, I got those 4 nuts off. Should just pull right out now. Just like that. Disconnect the connector. And there you go. The airbag. Okay, so we're about to pull the steering wheel out. Got this tool from the auto parts store, rented it. Got the nut loose. Took the center nut loose, marked the spline so we can put it back. We're going to put that center nut and tighten it down just a little bit, but leave it pretty loose still. I'm going to screw these in. I have to tighten these down. Okay, we got this all tightened down now. Center bolt kept trying to turn when we tried to crank it down, so we're going to use this wrench to hold the center bolt while we turn the steering wheel puller. And I think that popped it off. Take the center nut out now. And safe place. There we go. Got the steering wheel off. So now I have access to the clock spring. Need to access all the wires for the clock spring. So I'll pull this, and I gotta pull out the wires coming from the clock spring. Okay, I got the bottom cover off. Gotta pop these clips, and then I can disconnect that. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Okay, I got the clips pulled out. Just pause that, slides up that one. This one, it slides up. Disconnect the connectors from these holders. They're just hanging now. Now make sure you pull this. This goes in the ignition lock cylinder. Loosen up the bolts. Should just pull right out now. There is the clock spring. And if you stay tuned, I'll be dissecting this later. Okay, reconnected the battery. Plugged in the horn circuit, just to make sure this one works. Okay, got the clock spring, the new one in. I'm gonna take that piece off before I put the steering wheel on. Yeah, I hook up all these wires again. The new wires came with these clips, so now I gotta pull these out. Okay, got all that all tucked up in there. Nice and neat, you'll never even know I had a problem. Got those all plugged in, waiting to plug in the airbag connector last. Now I'm going to take off this little plastic piece right here. Got the steering wheel back on, clock spring in, center bolt in, tighten it down. Okay, got everything all buttoned back together. Got all that put together under there. Now the moment to put the airbag back in. I think the battery's still disconnected. Hopefully I don't blow up.